Right finger, do you want to earn more, save smarter, and finally take control of your money? Money bag, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Smart Cash Flow, where we turn side hustles into real income and money tips into real results. Hi, I'm your name, and I created Smart Cash Flow to help people just like you, students, professionals, or entrepreneurs, discover new ways to grow their income and manage money better. Here, you'll find checkmark the best side hustles you can start today. Checkmark money saving hacks that actually work. Checkmark simple investing tips for beginners. Checkmark and smart strategies to reach financial freedom. On this channel, we don't just talk about money, we make it simple. Whether you want to earn an extra $100 a week or build a long-term passive income, I'll show you step by step. Our videos are short, practical, and to the point, so you can apply the tips instantly. Imagine this channel as your personal guide to smarter money. So if you're ready to earn more, save more, and live smarter, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Welcome to the Smart Cash Flow community. Let's start building your financial freedom today.